What up, my YouTube? It's your boy, the official. We're back with another video, and today's video is different from what you guys are used to seeing on the channel. Something new, to start something great. At the back of me is my E90 330i 2009 edition. You get me? So with this video, I'm just trying to show you everything like wrong with the car, everything I want to change, and what are the plans with the 330 from today going forward. And yeah, if you haven't already, subscribed to the channel. And one thing I'd want to say to you guys right now is that the content that's coming this year, different from what you guys are going to see or what you guys have seen last year. So I'm trying to switch up the content, you see, and yeah, build series coming on the 330i, build series named Project Factory Spec. You get me? So yeah, let me just give you a walk around on how the car is and why, tell you guys why the car's sitting like this right now. So yeah,
violence is spreading, we cannot stop it.
but yeah guys, I don't entirely know where to start with how everything is on the car, but like I think we can start maybe in the front. But yeah, whole lot of work that has to be put in, a whole lot of money that has to be spent. So let me show you everything. So in the front we have the assembly. Hey, I'm joking. In the front we have the big Tonka engine, you get me, aluminum top engine, you get me. This is my N52 B30 engine, currently with no starter. If you guys can see deep in there, you get me, focus, yeah, you get me. It's dirty right now because like it's been sitting like this for quite some time, and the next video that you guys are going to see on the channel is something to do with that. So yeah, currently needs a starter. Then if you guys can see here, down there, right there, there's leaks coming from this, you get me. So there's like oil that seeps out of this oil filter housing thing, seeps down and goes down there, and that's something we gotta fix too. So something we gotta look out for. Then I'm not sure why there's oil coming from here. Maybe there's a crack in this thing, I'm not sure, but like you can see there's like oil, then it gets dry, so it's like dry, oil. So I'm not sure what's entirely wrong with it. And you get the cats down there, the cats, you get me, catalytic converter, you get me. We're gonna change that too soon, but like yeah, that's the front for you guys. And something I'd really like to change is, hey focus man, is this bumper. It's a non-M Sport bumper, if you guys can see. So yeah, that's what I want to change in the car. For now, it's this bumper to an M Sport bumper, then runner refurbish the wheels, cause that's like nonsense, you get me. But yeah, refurbish the wheels, then we'll go inside it in a second. But like, can you see all the wheels are like this? mind you, this was not my car before, so yeah, so we're going to refurbish the wheels, and I want to change this bumper as well to an M Sport bumper. This can be taken out all the time, like it balls up right there, but like that can be taken out. But I want to change the bumper to a M Sport bumper, and maybe change this because I want to put facelifted tail lights. Think about that as time goes on, but like yeah, so I said this wheel is not that bad. It's not like the other wheels, but like gotta refurbish the wheels, you get me, and get new tires. So when we go inside the car, you get me, don't mind the mess. I'm looking to change this, but can't find one, you get me. I want the M Sport steering wheel as well, and maybe change this trim or keep it or just paint it, you get me. So you guys can see on the passenger door, guys, can you see that this thing that's going up, right? That is faulty. So I think I need a door locking management, whatever they call it. But yeah, you see this thing is like loose, so that's what needs to get changed up too. Get me? That what needs to get changed up as well. Then we all sorted with the interior, maybe I want to change this as well, because right now I have a Bluetooth adapter right there. So maybe we just upgrade the radio, and maybe that's it for now with the interior. But it's actually not, because people normally see it when I'm driving, but it's something that annoys me very much. The previous owner did this to the headliner. You guys can't see what that is. It's staples. So I'm not really entirely sure what they were going for with this, but yeah, it goes all the way to the back, if you guys can see right there, and there's like stains and but yeah, that's what we budgeting towards. So the important things are the starter. I'm going to get that on Saturday, you get me. Next video coming up, you'll see the whole process to that. But yeah, so one of the important things is the starter, the headliner. Oh, you guys can see it right there. Like if you just look there at the top, you'd see that like it looks like holes in the roof, but no, it's the starter, the headliner, the leaks in the engine. That's not that much, but like I gotta say for that. So a guy gave me a quote for the headliner. He said 1.3 to 1.6. So yeah, we'll just chat on that in a later video. Then the starter, I'm going to sort that out. The next video that you guys will see on the channel will be about that. And yeah, for now, that is it. Yeah, like the important thing. So it's starter, headliner, and engine leaks. So like the oil sump, the head unit, and oil filter housing, you see oil cooler, gaskets, and all that. All the gaskets for the engine will be bought and be done, because my goal is to get this car to its original specifications by October. So there's a whole lot of time, there's a whole lot of things I could change within that amount of time. So not important things are steering wheel, front and rear bumper, maybe the boots with the tail lights, and rims. I really want to do that. So yeah, there's a whole lot of things that we can look out for on the channel, but like right now, I just hang in there with me, just be patient. The car is coming along, and but like yeah,